You can make your dream bookmark a reality with Canva. Today, I'll show you how to design your own from scratch. So let's get started. Before design, first, we determine the size and design concept of the bookmark. The size of the bookmark depends on the size of the book. The standard bookmark size is 2 by 6 inches. Other larger sizes are 2 by 7 in and 2 by 8 inches. And small size 1.5 by 5 inches. A 1.5 times 5 inch bookmark is suitable for mass-market paperbacks, light novels, manga, and pocketbooks. A 2 times 6 inch bookmark is a standard size that can be used for many general-purpose novels, trade paper books, and graphic novels. For slightly larger novels and large trade paper books, a 2 times 7 inch bookmark is suitable, as is a good size for journals and planners. For 2 times 8 inch bookmarks, these are large books such as textbooks, dictionaries, encyclopedias, and special editions of famous books. After deciding on a suitable bookmark size, we'll decide on the design for the bookmark. Bookmark designs can vary, including quotes, landscapes, patterns, characters from books or photos like photo strips. You can choose according to your preferences, or the books you're reading. You can also find bookmark design inspiration on Pinterest. Now open the Canva app, select Custom Size. Enter your desired size in pixel format. I've included a conversion tool for inches and centimeters to pixels. You can start designing according to your preferences using elements and fonts in Canva. I'll give examples for each design type. I'm working on a coffee-themed bookmark collection. To create the primary pattern, I'll position individual coffee beans and cups, then multiply and extend them horizontally. Next, I'll duplicate those rows and stack them downwards. Once this continuous coffee pattern is established, I'll select the entire block, zoom in, and introduce a slight tilt to the design. The final touch will be a warm, light brown background. For the character bookmark, I generated an image of an office woman drinking coffee using Bing's AI image creator. After positioning the character, I changed the background to a dark brown. I added a white heart-shaped element. For the landscape bookmark, I'm generating a new image using Bing Image Creator. The design is a watercolor art view of a cozy coffee shop. I'll then zoom in on the image to fit the bookmark size perfectly. For this next bookmark, I'm setting up a new page to feature some quotes. The background color is a warm light brown. It almost has the look of ivory. After opening the app, I'm using the text wrap tool to add a coffee-related quote, typing it out in the distinct Bagel Fat 1 font. I'm styling and placing the short phrase "coffee helps" in the same way, then adjusting their positions and sizes to create a balanced design. The final touch is a small coffee cup element, adding a bit of sweetness to the bookmark. Starting with a dark brown background, I'm creating a photo collage bookmark. After a bit of back and forth, I decided on a film-style frame for the photos. I'm duplicating the frame to fit the bookmark and arranging them carefully. I'm using vintage-style photos of cities and buildings for this design. To give each photo an authentic vintage atmosphere, I'm applying a filter. I'm picking from the vivid, vintage, and warm categories to get the perfect effect. When you've finished all your designs, download them as PNG files. Now, let's create a print sheet. Don't click Add a page, instead, click the small arrow right next to it. From there, select the 3 dots and manually enter the paper size or search for it. You'll want to use either A4 or US letter. Make sure the background is white. Next, add a square frame and resize it to match your bookmark's exact dimensions. Center it, then duplicate the frame until you have a spot for each of your bookmarks. Now, simply upload your PNG files and drop them into the frames. Once everything is in place, download just that one A4 page. Be sure to select PDF print format, as that's the perfect setting for a clear, high-quality print. Thank you so much for watching.